So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can enable iPhone mirroring on your Mac. Before we go ahead, make sure your iPhone is on iOS 18 and your Mac is on macOS 15. Also make sure you have the same Apple ID on both your Mac and your iPhone. In order to use iPhone mirroring feature, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be enabled on both your Mac and your iPhone. So first of all, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. Now search for iPhone mirroring and press enter to open it. On this window, click on Continue. Now you will have to unlock your iPhone. After this, click on this Allow button. Now click on Get Started. So this will connect your Mac to your iPhone and you will now be able to use iPhone mirroring feature on your Mac. So this is how you can enable iPhone mirroring feature on your Mac. I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. And also share this video with your friends.